Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. In this video, I want to tell and show you how to turn on the flash on incoming calls and messages on your iPhone. That is, when you get a call or a text message, your flashlight will light up and give you light signals. It will be like the one on your screen. How do I turn this feature on? To do this, go into the settings of our iPhone. Here we need to find the item Accessibility. Click on this button. Next, we need to find one item called Audio Visual. Click here. After that, we go down below and find the item LED Flash for alerts. And here we just click on the checkbox and enable this function. After these actions during calls or messages to our iPhone, the flash on the iPhone will flicker and we will not miss important calls or notifications for us. Also below here are two important points. One is responsible for the fact that this feature will work when our iPhone is unlocked. If we turn it off, the flashlight will not flicker during calls and notifications. You can turn this option on. The second checkbox is responsible for whether the flash function will work always or only when the phone's silent mode is on. You can enable or disable these two functions. This is a very handy tweak. This is such a simple and working way. This was the phone support channel. If you liked it, like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.